Started the season as a MVP candidate, certainly among the many who are being considered very well for the Nets. Here's Durant on the pull-up. Yes.
Both of them getting going early.
2-point lead here in the early going for the Nets. Holiday played by Harris. Working off the pick from Lopez, who gets down low and puts it in for Brooklyn. Lost the dribble. Tucker took it away. Harris is back. Tucker sets it up, and it's put down.
The length of Milwaukee in their defense.
Chris Middleton takes all the way.
And Middleton right there elongating to the basket, and it looked like Durant.
Griffin passing out of three. Griffin moving on Portis. Head fakes. Nothing there. Now Griffin for three. Yes. Claxton has done a good job at the defensive end. Sat out for a while after getting COVID very well in Houston. Durant now played by Tucker. Durant pulls it back for the jumper. Yes. Two-time NBA champion with the Golden State Warriors. Here's Portis moving on Durant, who got a piece of it. Here come the Bucks right back. Holiday with the lead. Intended for Portis.
Through
5 minutes into the pregame. Milwaukee ball pretty fast, and Giannis
Get in an offensive rebound much, but now that he's in that dunker spot in the position as Kyrie Irving goes right at the big fella.
in terms of second chance points. Brooklyn has allowed the second most second chance points during the course of the season. Griffin has room for three. Yes. Durant spinning and hits. Giannis going against Griffin. Giannis got the step, went right by. And
You know, we feel good about him. All right, good luck, Coach. Thanks, Jared. Guys.
all right, Mike Booten holds his Bucks with a 2-point lead as the second quarter gets underway. Here's Joe Harris, who injured his hamstring again. 43 seconds in, is out for the rest of the night. So here's Irving, curling his way inside. Lost the handle. Giannis on the run. Nice lead pass ahead for Middleton.
Lost his balance, it looked like. Still able to convert.
Harris around Middleton. Set it up for Claxton, who put it down, and a foul. That's without James Harden the rest of the way, as he injured his hamstring with 43 seconds. James with the rebound. Irving with the deep shot.
Not in the game here the rest of the way, but we know Durant and Irving more than capable and get hot.
James on a step-back three.
And the crowd here, as you said, rewarding him, showing their appreciation for the heart and the hustle of the former All-Star. And I believe a jump ball between Portis and Griffin.
Game 2, he hit 6 3-pointers. Forbes was 6 for 9 from 3. Irving, a whip pass, and
Try to use his length, prevent him from getting into the rim.
Durant battling as Tucker went down, and Durant was able to hit. Tucker was trying to draw the foul. This has played a major role for the Nets in this first half. Griffin double team, gets it down low. Brown with the turnaround.
And in that huddle, he talked about pace, and right there, defense to offense, Irving gets it downhill for the easy two.
What's going on with Milwaukee with 3 controlled by the Nets? Durant has it knocked aside.
The Bucks not knocking down and as efficient offensively as they've been.
Middleton just 3 of 11, 6 points. Irving with the reverse. Picked by Griffin. Looking to set up a step back, could not. Now fires for 3 and hits. Irving faking right, goes left into the paint, stops, ends up short. The rebound put home by guess who? He will be back with the Bucks and the Nets. 7:30 here on right here from Barclays. 3-point attempts in the first half. And they are an excellent 3-point shooting team. Here's Griffin. Lopez working on Griffin, lost the dribble, recovers, and puts it down on a reverse. Now 3. They've led by as many as 11. Nice pass, and Griffin puts it down. 23 for Giannis. Durant.
17% for the game.
And it's been all Milwaukee off the boards as Durant. The games that kind of got away, so Boston was able to score. Here's Harris.
Here sliding his feet as a big man contesting, not fouling, causing Middleton to miss.
Beautiful move by Irving, and he scored. Holiday met by Shannon. Holiday off the dribble. Snap from behind. Durant with the block.
Both teams right now playing defense, getting deflections, and making block shots. Claxton.
Bucks and Nets in game 2 on Monday. Rebound is tipped over to James. Pops it down. Shannon into the corner for the jumper. For Irving. Giannis lost the dribble. 3-on-1 for the Nets. Shannon.
Something to keep an eye on as we get into the fourth quarter.
Nets playing it down. It's a 2-second differential. There's Durant for 3. Yes. Final seconds of the quarter. Lopez banks it, and it is good. Red for Kyrie, although he's had an excellent game. Irving with 25 points in all. Brown, Irving, Griffin, Harris, James on the court for the Nets. Griffin for 3. Yes! The finish. Middleton. Lopez for Giannis, who puts it down.
Griffin is everywhere tonight.
Spending a lot of time on the floor. Irving, beautiful move.
That three ball, such an integral part of their offense, has them out of sorts.
Forbes with the rebound. Antetokounmpo for 3 and hits it. Could not finish. Loose ball picked up by Irving. Whips it back to Durant.
A tough shot, a little play, a winning play by Blake Griffin.
There's James with the reverse. James left his contract with Chester in Moscow. This is Giannis putting one home.
Milwaukee, it's been that kind of night. 5 for 29 from the three-point line, Marv.
That is unheard of as Harris knocks one down.
Durant almost picked up his 5th foul, or actually picked up his 4th foul, stayed in the game, and almost picked up his 5th as Portis gets to the rim. This team's scary. What they potentially can be, and certainly we've seen some of that here tonight.
He says as Forbes hits. 1 minute and 20 remaining. This is Forbes hitting from way downtown. Performance by the Brooklyn Nets as they win it 115 to